How to fix GoodRx login problem 2026. To fix the GoodRx login problem, first of all, check your email for verification code rather than entering the password. So go ahead and launch your device's Gmail application, and sometimes your mails could be directly sent to the spam or junk section and also promotions rather than the primary. So you might want to check these options as well. Once you find the mail over here, you simply have to open it and tap on that link and you should be able to log in. Or you can also try clearing your browser and application glitches. If you have the mobile application, open your app drawer and locate the application icon. Long press on it, then access the app info panel. Scroll downwards to storage option, then proceed to clear the cache. What this does is it removes all the corrupted data within the application. And once you clear the cache, try relogging in and your problem should be resolved. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.